Hello guys, good afternoon. Ayan, nagluluto tayo ng sinigang na bangus guys, na may puso ng saging. Ayan guys, so yung puso ng saging, yummy yummy. Yan ang aming pananghalian guys. Thank you Lord sa blessing na to, Panginoon. Ayan guys, yung ating ulam, yummy yummy, sinigang na tilapia. Ayan, dyan tayo nagluluto guys sa kalan. Ayan, diba? Yummy yummy ang ulam namin guys. Thanks for watching guys. Take care, bye bye, and God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.